Hi everyone, today I am going to make a beautiful pen holder using some color paper and glue. For that we need 6 papers and the papers are 10 by 10 inches. First fold the papers into 4 parts, then fold those parts into 4 parts again like the video. Then I am folding the corner squares in a diagonal manner. After folding, fold the folded parts inwards. Then again we have to fold the both sides in back like this. We need a hard paper to join them. It will be 2.5 into 5 inches. With the help of the paper, we have to join both of the folded part like this. It's very easy. Look carefully, you can do it too. We have to make a total of 6 triangular boxes like this. I have made other 5 boxes in off camera. Now we have to join them with glue gun. You can use any kind of glue you want. Now one by one use glue and stick the box together. If you don't have any kind of glue, you can use the stapler machine also. Now we have to measure the bottom shape and have to cut a paper. I'm adding a black pepper with the bottom so that it looks good, with the help of glue obviously. Now I'm checking if the shape is perfectly fitted with the bottom parts of the box. Now just glue and stick and it will be done. Now you can decorate it more or use it as it like this. I'm adding some glitter paper. Well, our pen holder is ready to use and it's very beautiful. If you like the video, do like, comment and subscribe. Bye everyone.